Honorable Temitope Olatoye Sugar is still living and he lives on.
Sugar's death is one too many. It's a death too many. There is a second question I want to ask all of us here. Are we really celebrating Sugar? Are we really celebrating? We only love him. But God what? God loved him more than us. His time has ended. Are we also preparing? And they will not be energizing us the way we are doing to Sugar.
Sugar left a legacy. Legacy enveloping service, philanthropy, and goodwill. And I think that is why we are here.
Our dearest and astute legislator, a great philanthropist, a humanitarian to the core, a selfless public servant, or if I say the most selfless I've ever seen, not because we share family bonds, but that's what I'd experienced for very close to 40 years that I've been with him.
People don't want a meeting point. Right from the student days. Dr. Ifoma Roda is here. Well, Dr. Rotimi. Dr. Ifoma, he said, Sugar was the one. We're out there in the struggle for emancipation. For to have democracy, to rule in Nigeria. He was there in the student movement. But by anti-cultism, Sugar was involved. But for I'm not saying Sugar is perfect, you know. No man is perfect. And you see, as for certain people, they judge people with their own.
But the irony of life is that when life is given, nobody knows when life will be taken. And when life is eventually taken from the person that enjoys the life giving, we are left with memories.
It's missing. Not that we're going to miss. It's already missing TOS. Temitope Sugar. Temitope Sugar was one of the key persons that stabilized that assembly.
There should be peace. If you like, buy the peace. If you like, fight the peace. But peace must reign after my death. By summing up Sugar's life with what the Ecclesiastes 21 says, because he enjoyed and have happiness in doing his job, in helping people. But can he come back to see what is happening after? I said no. It is those of us that are here that will continue the struggle.
Century when he was there. As the man so generous to all member staff.
The Honorable Olatoye Temitope Sugar. Nígbà tí Honorable kọ́kọ́ lé chairman, Ọlọ́run sọ pé Sugar ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí chairman, lórí state Honorable ló ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ó kù oṣù méjì tá a fẹ́ dìbò. ni wọ́n disappoint sugar a lọ sí accord wọ́n tẹ́wọ́ gba sugar ìgbà tí a dìbò ní accord sugar wọlé state honorable ó kù ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì tí sugar fẹ́ jẹ oyè ní Abẹ́òkúta wọ́n ní ṣíṣí kò bá di camp sí APC pé wàhálà ni sugar gbìyànjú láti di.
ó dùn mí pé yóò ní Ìbàdàn fi gbẹ̀yìn ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn àwọn àlọ́ bíìdì ṣúgà o láti Abẹ́òkúta tọ́pọ̀ wọn kẹtẹ́ náà wá ṣe fún rí àníjẹ́ kó wá bì ẹbí nìbàdàn ni ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ò mọ iye ẹ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n máa gbé ṣúgà wọn lùbàdàn Ìbàdàn èmi àti bàbá Adédùbú ni gómìnà tó wá wà ń bẹ̀ lẹ́nu yìí èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnì kan gbà pé gómìnà yẹn àfi bíṣọ́ lóore ni ṣùgbọ́n kí ẹnìkan má jà lókùn ṣúgà o ẹ tó bá jà lókùn ṣúgà ọlọ́run á mú ẹ má jà.
tó yẹ kán touch àfikún ló kù tá a kàn máa ṣe àbúrò wa ní ṣúgà a dẹ̀ rí pé ọmọ tó ṣe é pọ̀n òun ni a dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìlọ years back.
láti wà ní mo ti jẹ́ general manager rẹ̀ mo sì lè sọ ní ìdúró pé mi ò bá ìwà púpọ̀ ní owó rẹ̀ rí ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tá a bá ṣúgà rìn àkọ́gbọ́n ni for the whole time fún ìbọ̀lù ṣúgà nǹkan bọ́ dojúmọ́ ni every day mo rí ẹ̀kọ́ kọ́ ọ̀gá mi yìí máa tọ́jú aráàta ju àwọn ilé ìtì ẹ̀ lọ tó bá lówó dání wọ́n gbà kó dání o tí ara ẹni bá bá pé mo fẹ́ 20,000 tẹ́yìn bọ́ láti ta abẹ́ bá fẹ́ 80,000 abẹ́rẹ́ àdéhùn fún wọn ni.
If you have not identified it o ti jẹyàn Temitope early time in life identified that he was born to render succor, comfort, assistance unto humanity.
Látọ̀yè ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ni àbúrò mi ni ọmọ mi ni ẹbí wa ni ó ṣe kú ìkòdù mọ́ wa nínú ṣùgbọ́n mo wá fi wéré yóò gbẹgbẹ wéré ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú agboolé wa mọ́ torí pé òní mọ́gàjì ilé agboolé Ẹfúngádé ìgbàgbọ́ tó di pé wọ́n sìn ìgbà ó yẹ kí n kì í lórí ilé bàbá wa ìdínú Àkànní èmi tó gbọ́ Látọ̀yè Àkànní ọmọ ẹlẹ́rìn mo jẹ mọ̀ sáájà wa.
His good things. The widows. He was a good philanthropist. He helps a lot. He will remember for everything that entails humankind.
ní àwọn fẹ́ ṣe masters mo ní òkè wọ́n ní kí wọ́n bá wọn lé mi wá bá ó ní ọ̀rẹ́ mi ṣe owó fọ́ọ̀mù mo ní kò tí ì pé ó ní gbà títí tá a fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí.
When Sugar was alive, I don't know of life. It was Sugar who were with others ensure that the man is alive today. He did all to preserve the man's life.
With all our people have said, the good work, they don't live long. For I pray to Almighty God to be with the family, the wife, the children, and our parents.
Knowing this young man, like I said, there are many things that I could understand about him. Sugar, sometimes, is not, they say talk is cheap, but this is not a cheap talk, because this is something that baffles me many years. Sugar will give his last dime to an outsider than to a member of his family. I wish people would really understand what Dr. was saying.
Don't wait. You will die in peace. That means when you are dead, you will be able to satisfy your conscience that yes, I've done the best I can do. And everybody will testify as they are testifying today. Be ye therefore merciful, as your Father also is merciful. And I can see from every references and every testimony given concerning our late brother, giving arms to people and helping the less privileged. I can say he has fulfilled part of the program, part of the mission that we are meant for on earth.
Àpàdánù èmi àti àwọn èèyàn mi, àpàdánù ọ̀rẹ́ tó ń bo àsìkí ọ̀rẹ́ tó ń wú ọ̀rẹ́ nígbà tó níṣòro tí yóò dó ti ọ̀rẹ́. Ìjẹ́ èmi àti ìjẹ́ alẹ́ wà bíi Honorable Sugar. Ó jẹ́ ẹ̀dá kan tí kò kì í fẹ́ kí èèyàn banújẹ́ àbí kí èèyàn níṣòro kankan. Ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ ìkankan tí mo tọ́jú lójú nínú ìwà Sugar. Ó ní pé kò kì í di èèyàn sínú, kò kì í mú ọ̀tá. Tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá ṣẹlẹ̀, tí Sugar bá fẹ́ bí tó bá mú kó bínú, yóò mọ wo ilẹ̀ àbí kó mọ tẹ fóònù ni.
The remains of a great man, my friend, a man of the people. He loved the young and the old. He loved men and women, all his friends. He even loved his enemies, even to the point of his death. Because if he has not loved his enemies to the point of his death, he wouldn't have demobilized his people during the election day because he wants peace. He's not a man of war. I tell people, Sugar is not a man of war, a man of peace and a great humanist. Ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ aráàlú, ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọdé, ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ àgbà, ọkùnrin àti obìnrin. Ẹ̀rù tí ẹ̀ ń bà mí, kò sọ lánàá pé ẹ̀rù ń bà mí. Bàbá táwa wà ní òṣèlú. At the student days, láti ń bọ̀.
150 people every year, elderly people, and every month he pays their bill. Sugar, don't worry, let's write off the bill. He said no. The day you say you write off the bill, he will give you time to of what you have to do.
It should be the one giving tribute to me and not to me, but the can't question God. A lot has been said about my brother here. A giver, non-critic, and you can see that is life. If we go by what they have done and what people have said about him, I don't think that we have this space in this hall. That is life for us. I couldn't hold my tears when the wives and the children came in. Àwọn ìlú ẹgbẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ káfíńsì o. Kọ́ èèyàn dáadáa ní èèyàn kéwì kan àwọn èèyàn tó wá sí fún dáadáa rẹ̀ sí. Àwọn tó kù ọmọ òkú tẹ̀lé máa ń lérí fún. Jọ̀wọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, please let's face these children and the fact that wọ́n á tù wá nínú. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, he has gone, he has gone. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
If I were to start now, we will not finish today. I was alive. Sugar, Honorable Olatoye Sugar was the restless person. With due respect, I would say we were too close. At times you would say, Ẹ̀gbọ́n, tí ẹ bá ṣe mí lórí kan, mo láti revenge tẹ̀lé wa mọ́. Revenge báwo? Mo láti ṣe tèmi padà. That's the kind of a person he was. Even if you don't have any kind doing towards him, he wants to do it. I would say he was a philanthropist to the core, whether official or unofficial. More of unofficial, a politician of refuge. He's not a person that will send off anybody from any other party. He does this as God sent him. Like somebody said earlier, it was as if he knew he was going to run out so fast. But let's just have our faith that that's the way God wanted it. It's a philanthropist to the core. and sugar will give what he didn't even have at that. If he has 100,000, he will tell you, come and take 500,000 tomorrow. That's the kind of person he was.
Ó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi gidi, ó lè jẹ́yàn tí ó jẹ́ aláàánú. Tó bọ́ jẹ́ aláàánú fún àwọn àkàndá ló jẹ́ kó jẹ́yàn ní. Àjọjọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ kọjá pé owó ti tàwọn àkàndá. Tó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Kí ni àwọn nǹkan mèremère?
One of the things that attach him to me strongly is somebody that have a promise and we always keep it. If he said that we do this for you, even when he's not ready to, when the thing is not yet done, he will be calling you and say that we do it. That's the only thing that I don't see any politician having. And I've never seen any politician that supports the bill for natural medicine and acupuncture in Nigeria.
Shakespeare said, death is a necessary end. It will come when it will come. The way and manner the death came is not our making, it's not our wish. But notwithstanding, he has laid a very good legacy, and therefore we have a cause to remember him, to gather, commiserate and celebrate his exit. He came to the world, he saw and he conquered.
Honorable Toye Sugar has done, and I can summarize it as empowerment for people with disability, medical checkups, free medical checkups. He even allow people with disability to own property by donation of a plot of land to some of us. They are numerous because he's a generous man.
Ó jẹ́ ẹni tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ èèyàn. Mo rántí ìgbà kan tí mo máa ń ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá síbi nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀bù tí mo fẹ́ kọ́. Ọjọ́ yẹn mo wá jókòó síbẹ̀ ìgbé ní kí n bá jókòó. Wà á rí wọn lálẹ́ ìsẹ̀yìn. Nílẹ̀ ti ṣú, wọ́n ṣe wá jáde nìyẹn. Wọ́n ṣe wá rí mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà bá ní à. Ìyá yìí, sílẹ̀ ti ṣú bọ̀ ló máa ṣe délé. Òní máa kú délé. Wọ́n ní pélé.
At depriving the downtrodden, the talakawas, of Sugar's continuous service to humanity. Sugar was service personified, no doubt about that. We are all going to miss him. Sugar like my blood. I'm not a politician. I love him. I know his number. If he call me, I will call him. How are you? Are you okay? What of your family? I love Sugar. Honorable Temitope Sugar. I love him.
As a politician, ó dẹ̀ ti ń kó èèyàn jọ nígbà tó ti wà ní school. Tó ti ló ti máa kó wọn jọ tí wọ́n jọ máa tí a kó àwọn èèyàn jọ pé politics rèé o báyìí báyìí tó ti so he is a nice man. So mi ò mọ nǹkan tí o jẹ torí Sugar gan kọ́nà pa irú àwa iná pa.
Lived a fulfilled and philanthropic life and was throughout his lifetime behind the people, which account for the reason why he was loved by the people.